Hello friends. In the previous video, we have seen how to write a research paper. Now in this video, we will learn about how to select a journal for the research paper publication. You should try to figure out a journal by asking these questions. The first question is, does the aim and scope of journal match the subject of your article? Firstly, you should check the focus of the journal. You should check that a journal is a multidisciplinary or subject-specific. You should confirm that target journal accepts your submission. The second question is, does the journal accept the article type you intend to submit? Articles can be of type case studies, research methods, experimental evaluations, research analysis, etc. So you should check that journal accepts the type of article you prepared. The next question is, what is the target audience and reader community of the journal? For the multidisciplinary journal, the readers community will be more interested. Subject-specific journals have limited audience. So it is advisable to concern about targeted readers base before selecting a journal to publish an article. The next question is the journal included in bibliographic and open access databases? You should check the presence of journal in various indexing libraries like Google Scholar, Index Copernicus, etc. You should check if the journal is archiving in either open access libraries or subscription-based paid libraries. Open access libraries have more reader base, so it is preferred to publish in a journal having open access to its articles. The fifth question is, does the journal have an online edition? As journals are in the printed version and or online version. In this digital era, one should check that journal is having an online edition, so articles can be accessed from around the world. The next question is, what is the turnaround time for articles submitted to the journal? You should consider the total processing time taken by the journal. Once the article is submitted and reviewed, how much time does it take for the publication process? This thing should be considered as per the need of publication. The next question is to check how many times a year the journal is published. As the journals are published monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, half-yearly and yearly, you should select the appropriate journal. It is advisable to check the publication frequency and continuity of publication without any break. The final question is to know what are the article processing charges? Generally, some journals charge more amount and some charges less amount to help research community. Also sometimes volunteer support of qualified research people for journal helps authors to publish their article with less article processing charges. So select the journal with the appropriate APCs, means article processing charges. So we have completed the checklist of questions while selecting the journal for article publication. On following this checklist, you will be able to choose the right journal. We hope that this video will be helpful to you. So you can submit your article at www.ijsrd.com. For more such guidance and videos, subscribe our channel on YouTube at IJSRD Journal. Thanks and enjoy the life.